Yeah, it's very unfortunate that nothing's happened to Tower 2. I'd really like to see this one and 3 get built. I mean, I think it's been 2 months since my last visit, and I'm not seeing anything with 2 or 3. I think I probably see a little bit of new scaffolding added to Tower 3, but that's really it. I mean, I'm still hoping for them, though. There's still a lot of time left. One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, whichever you'd like to call it, and the Transit Hub. With the main shell now completed. The lobby is filled in for One World Trade Center, with the exception of the elevators, of course. And the building's looking better and better each day. Here's Tower 2, the Transit Hub, and Tower 3. I know it's taking longer than usual, but I'm pretty confident that Towers 2 and 3 will rise up soon. There's the more of the spikes for the Transit Hub. Looking good. And here is the Freedom Tower and Tower 7.
Yeah, I'm seeing it now, man. Yo, what?
It looks like the lobbies are now starting to be developed for One World Trade Center. So yep, these towers are going to be opening very, very soon. I know Towers 2 and 3 are taking a very long time, but again, I'm very sure that they will be rising up sooner or later. Transportation Hub and Tower 3. West Street. It's One World Trade Center. And wow, yes, it really looks like the lobby is being developed. Yeah, even the doors are there. The spinning doors. Wow, what a beauty. This tower is a true beauty. Here I am back at the Hudson River. towers 1 and 4. Now the sun is giving me a slight problem here, so I'm gonna have to move. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have for right now. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have for right now. I now have to head uptown for church. So this is going to be the end of this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and all the progress here. If you have any questions, please ask. I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching.